Hi there, students. Frank. Okay, an adjective. Frankly, an adverb. Frankness, the noun, uncountable. And even a verb to frank, but with a different meaning. Okay, so let's see. As an adjective, frank means telling the truth, being honest and sincere, even when this might make other people feel uncomfortable, or it might make them feel a bit awkward. So, could you frankly tell me what you think, honestly, sincerely? Yeah, we need to have a full and frank discussion about this matter. That's a very good collocation, a full and frank discussion. Yeah, he told me very frankly that he thought it was absolutely rubbish. Yeah, to be perfectly frank with you, I don't think this project is going to work. To be totally honest with you. Yeah. Young people need to be given frank advice about sex and contraception, for example. Yeah, I think if somebody's frank, maybe they're saying exactly what they think, but maybe to the point of being blunt. Yeah, they're being very forthright and very plain spoken. This is particularly when you're dealing with things that make people feel awkward or they're not very nice. Yeah. Okay, so open, honest, direct speech to be very plain about something. Yeah, so they state things in an open and honest way, even if it upsets people. Yeah, you can talk to me frankly about this because I need to know what you really think. Don't spare my feelings. Please be candid, direct, straight. Yeah, his frankness very often upsets many people. Okay, and this is the idea of frank. Yeah. We use this particularly to talk about the way somebody does something. Yeah, very direct, to the point, and without beating around the bush, without mincing around. Notice, frank, we can have other meanings. For example, if you have a stamp, when it goes through the post system, they frank it. It has the mark to say that it's been cancelled. Yeah, a franking machine is one that makes the mark on the stamps to say they've been used. You can also actually have a frank, which is like a stamp. Yeah, if you have a franking machine, maybe it produces a symbol that is valid for a stamp as well. Mind you, nobody really uses the post very much anymore. Okay, so it's an official mark to indicate that the postage has been paid. Yeah. Also, frank, as in a frankfurter. Yeah. Franks and hot dogs are exactly the same thing. Yeah. So put the Franks on the barbecue. And then we also have the Franks. This was a Germanic tribe or a Germanic group of people who effectively conquered France in about the 500 AD, something like that, and they were pretty powerful. Yeah, so let's actually go to the origin of franc. Well, the word franc, honest, direct, comes from an old French word franc with a C, which is the same as the currency, or used to be, meaning free. But that in itself came from the name of this German tribe, the Franks. Yeah, and that in Proto-West Germanic meant free or courageous, or we also have the word franco, a javelin or a spear. So, yeah, if you're being frank, you're telling the truth, the honest truth, exactly as you see it. Yeah, please speak frankly to me. Yeah, most of what he said, frankly, was a pack of lies. In truth, to tell the truth. Yeah, frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. Yeah, that's what I honestly think. Yeah, as a matter of fact, tell the truth, telling the truth candidly. Yeah, okay, so if somebody is frank, they're candid, they're straight to the point, they're blunt, they're truthful, they're honest, and they're not thinking about saving people's feelings, but just telling them the exact reality as they see it. So yeah, he was brutally frank. Yeah, he gave a frank admission of his guilt. Please give me some frank advice. Yeah, we need to have a very frank conversation about this. Yeah, a frank discussion is a very good thing to have. Yeah, give me your frank opinion. To be perfectly frank. Yeah, what do you frankly think? Yeah, directly. Okay, I think this is one of these words that it used to be much more common, but I get the feeling it's on its way out. Frankly, I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. Okay, so it's a good word, and as I said, the origin comes from the Franks, the Germanic tribe that conquered most of Gaul. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Frankly, Frankness.